Hello guys, so it took me 2 days to get here to Taipei. First I had a flight to Hong Kong with overlay Dubai and spent a night there, and the next morning I took a flight here to Taipei. These are police motorcycles. I think it's pretty classic in Asian countries. Ambulance also as a motorcycle. So I came here to judge a local nail art competition, and also I look forward to see the show and a local nail school. So if you want to take this tour with me, keep watching. Now I'm on the roof of my hotel and it's a pretty nice view. Here is the Tower 101. We're going to have dinner there tonight. They gave us our diplomas in advance. Check this out. This is so pretty, like an actual diploma from some college or university with a stamp, with a signature. I love it. We already finished judging the first part and now we're going to judge the other part. And this is my first time ever in Taiwan, and I have to admit that nail art, nails, like the level of the professionalism here is pretty high. Especially the rhinestones part. I mean, it's not just, you know, they take crystals and put them on the nails. It's seriously like an art. I mean, they really do some composition, designs with it. So it's really amazing, and I really cannot wait to share it with you. So let's go. This is nail art on fake hand, and by the way, I like this idea because you don't have to torture a model for a few hours, and it turned out not only nail technicians use fake body parts. And this artwork by Japanese nail technicians simply blew my mind. I just can't stop staring at it. It's all hand painted with a slight use of the airbrush. The theme was love. Hello, I'm Anastasia and I am in Taipei, Taiwan, and right now we are going to explore a trade show. Yesterday there was a nail art competition which was so successful. I mean, the nail art, the hand painted works, they're so detailed because local nail technicians, they're super talented, and now we're going to check out the trade show. Let's go. Most nail companies at this show, they have really big booths. They're not just, you know, large, they're huge, and most of them are made like a supermarket. So you basically go inside, you take a cart, and then you shop all around. So you can buy everything you can ever dream of in terms of nails. Nail files, you know, different containers to keep them, tips, gels, acrylics, polygels, glitter, striping tapes, everything. So as far as I understood, most of the companies, they're not just specialized in one product like crystals or something. They have everything, like all nail art supplies you can ever dream of. Here at this booth they have a trial area, so you can stand here and try any gel polish, brushes, drill bits, anything you want. try it first and then buy it if you like it. I love the way they display all the colors and products. Most colors you can see in a different ways, with the matte, with the glossy top coat, and this is truly like a piece of art. And of course their small detailed designs, I just love this. As for prices, when I was there I was so excited that I converted it not correctly. So when I actually calculated all the prices, I realized that in compared to prices in Russia, it's super expensive, like 10 times more. And they love rhinestones, as you can see. And here we have a tutorial drawing a cat. They really like hand painting. And this is another booth, Ageha. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. I follow her on Instagram for a long time, and unfortunately she wasn't there because I really wanted to meet her. And also this is the typical Asian style. I love it. Pastel, light colors, soft, everything, you know, is so pearl, so girly, so beautiful. All these pearl embellishments near the cuticle. And here is another booth with local stars, I guess. Unfortunately, I don't know them. But all booths where there were some demos, some tutorials, they were usually packed. So that means people here definitely enjoy learning. Now I'm entering another nail heaven. So here you can find all kinds of nail art. Rhinestones, embellishments, metallic stuff, striping tapes, everything you can ever dream of. So I bought here a tiny silver chain, and this guy, he gave me a discount with 75%, 75. And still when I converted, it was $20 for this one. Let me know in the comments if that sounds expensive to you. So here we also have all kinds of designs. I like how they display them, like they take 5 tips so you can see how it will look on a whole hand, not just on one nail. And also they definitely prefer this oval shape, which definitely looks beautiful. And on this booth they have tons of transfer foils and some magic glue. So now we will see a demo how to use it. First you apply it on a prepped nail or on the tip. Then you need to cure it in LED lamp. Unfortunately, I didn't understood for how long, but I think about 40 to 60 seconds. Then we cut the foil. We decided to use the flowers as it's spring. And then you carefully apply it right on top without removing sticky layer. Then you roll, press, and ta-da! It's transferred. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And this is definitely a great tool for traveling when you want to record the video on the go. I'm here at the Nail Labo booth, and I met these beautiful ladies, and now they're going to tell us more about the company. So can you please introduce yourself? What's your name?
My name is Kana Shen, and I am shop manager who in control in shop products and service.
So what is the most popular product? I mean, is it gel or gel polish, nail art? What people buy more here at the show?
Is Presto nail gel. Our products in Taiwan are very famous. So the products in Taiwan are how do you call that? The quality is it's better than ours.
So I've seen the Nail Labo booth in the US when I was visiting. Yeah, so how many colors do you have? Because it means like you have a huge range. Is that like 1,000?
Brand, we have 600 colors.
Wow. Oh my God.
And all made in Japan.
That's a lot to choose from. Thank you so much for taking time for answering our questions, and wishing you good luck and many sales on the show.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. This was our interview with the Nail Labo. So join this company, they have more than 600 colors. It was my overview of the Taiwan beauty show and the nail art competition. I hope you guys enjoy it. So they have such a huge variety of nail art supplies and accessories, so it's really hard not to go on $1,000 in debt. So if you are thinking of visiting this show, I would definitely recommend it. As for the prices, I cannot say that they're extremely cheap. Let's say in China, Guangzhou, they were way lower, but still they are average, so I recommend you to visit it. Next day we decided to explore the city. So if you have just one day or maybe even few hours and you want to see a lot, the best way to do that is to get on a big bus or hop on hop off bus. You buy a ticket, usually it's like 20 or 30 US dollars, and it's valid for 24 hours, and it stops in the most beautiful places of the city. You can hop off at any station that you want and hop on back during this time. So to me this is the best way to travel. Central Market is definitely a must visit. You can buy here anything: tea, spices, souvenirs, plates, jewelry, clothes, anything. And we definitely bought some delicious stuff to bring home as a souvenir. So yeah, I think we had like 10 of them. And when we got too tired, we decided to sit down and enjoy the tea with this beautiful view.
就没有人住。那现在贵的呀。
I thought that it's frog legs, but not. It's frog eggs. And they even have a nail salon here. So if you want to do nails, haircut, anything, it's all available right here. A squirrel, it is extremely hard to catch it on the camera, so the only way to do that is if she's eating, and it worked. And our next stop was a school for nail technicians, and I'm always so excited to visit them. So here they have a classroom and they're testing some new products right now. And here is the recording production room. So they do all kinds of webinars, record videos right here in this room. Check out how many cameras they have and the lights on the ceiling and this branded logo on the wall, and they change it according to the tutorial they are recording currently. And here they are recording something right now. I think this is flowers, acrylic 3D design. Oh my god. Okay, so here we have a shop, and I think this is for practicing one stroke. And this is definitely the local trend. They call it a snow flower. So this is a gel that gives this textured look to any color. And as far as I understood, they really enjoyed something textured, like flocking powders and, you know, different powders and things that make the surface not completely smooth, but that you can actually touch it and feel it. I still get shocked because of their prices, so now let's take a quiz. How much do you think this jar is worth? This is a 15 milliliters of gel polish jar, so please write your guesses in the comments. And finally, I met a cat. I thought they only like dogs. And check this out. This is so pretty, this face and this magnet she's holding. And this is the social media of this company if you're interested and would like to follow their Instagram or Facebook. Thank you so much for watching my overview, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.